Hey there, this is Tim, and welcome to Lesson 2 of our quick GPG4Win tutorial, creating a public-private key pair and exporting the public key to share. Now first we're going to be opening Kleopatra, which we learned to install in Lesson 1. Then we go File, New Certificate. From there we want to select an open PGP key pair. Give the key your name and email address. One reason for this is to allow those you shared the key with to get into contact with you. At this time, 2048 bits is the minimum length you want for your key pair. You can freely go higher if you like. You'll want to make sure that your new key pair is set for both signing and encrypting, as these both will come into play later in our GPG4Win tutorials. After that, please click Next and Create Key. You'll notice that it asks you to create a password. This is there to unlock your private key. It is an extra bit of security to allow you time to change your keys should your private key become compromised, as the symmetric encryption on this key must first be broken before it is useful. The process now asks you to introduce a little randomness to the system to ensure your key is truly random. Go ahead and type some gibberish or shake the window around until it completes. And there you have it, a completed key pair. Go ahead and click Finish. Now that we've finished making our key pair, we're going to want to share it with others so that they can verify that the files we encrypt in fact came from us. First we right-click our new key and then we click Export Certificates. From there we rename the fingerprint to something a little more verbose, and to save time and headache later, make sure that the file's extension is ASCII. Once finished, we can click Save. Using the .asc extension forces something called ASCII Armor. This turns the binary key into actual ASCII letters. This means that any system, any program that can use letters can now communicate your key. Text messages, emails, Skype messages, or even printed paper. I've just demonstrated the method for seeing the ASCII armored key file. You can then cut and paste this into your communication method of choice, or you can always just attach the file to an email. Thank you very much for watching Lesson 2 in our GPG4Win tutorial. Be sure to tune in to Lesson 3 where we learn how to encrypt files.